Hello traders and investors. Welcome to another Vector Guide. In today's video we will show you the TWAP indicator, available in your Vector platform. This is a performance indicator that allows us to analyze the average price pondered by the time of the assets, which provides us some relevant information for our trades. To insert the indicator, you'll only need a chart, then go to the Insert menu, choose the option Indicators, type TWAP in the search field and set it up for a new window or inside the chart, then click OK. In this case, we'll insert it in the asset chart. You can customize the indicator by double-clicking over it with the left button to open the Properties window, or click with the right button and then select Properties. For example, here you can change the line style, the color and the width of the indicator line, like this. Now, notice in the chart the final result of the indicator line. Similar to the VWAP indicator, which considers the pondered average price for traded volume, the TWAP indicator, that is the time pondered average price, allows us to follow the average price of some specific asset within a specific time frame, without considering the traded volume. Practically speaking, the TWAP indicator will be calculated over the price oscillation in the same way as a moving average, because it will not consider the volume in the trades. However, most recent price data will have more relevance over the indicator calculation. So, what really changes from TWAP from VWAP is that TWAP will focus on a temporal analysis for the indicator's consolidation, while the VWAP will consider the calculation based on the traded volume to analyze the asset. For better understanding, we can insert VWAP in our chart to make a comparison. In this way, it is possible, for example, to create a layout in your vector with both indicators, VWAP and TWAP, and analyze the volume pondered average price as well as the time pondered average price to make the best decisions in your trades. So, in this way you can manage your entries and exits with a good strategy, considering specific analysis about volume and time. So, tell us what you think. Comment down below which other indicators you wish to see here and don't forget to like, okay? See you soon, good trades!